Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher and this is your metric book, secondary stage English book 2 for class metric. Look at here, this is 26 unit in your syllabus. Open page number 1. Look at here. Unit name is The Voice of God. This is poem. It's written by Louis I. Newman, 1893 and 1972. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University. And after his doctorate, lectured at Columbia. He is author of many books on religious subjects. This poem brings on his religious bent of mind. Stanza is, I sought to hear the voice of God and climb the topmost steeple, but God declared, go down again. I dwell among the people. I sought to hear the voice of God. मैंने रब्बुल इज़्ज़त की आवाज़ सुनने की जुस्तजू की. And climbed the topmost steeple, और बुलंद तरीन मीनार पर चढ़ गया. But God declared, go down again. लेकिन खुदावन करीम ने कहा दोबारा नीचे जाओ. I dwell among the people. मैं लोगों के दरमियान रहता हूँ. Underline some typical words. Number 1 is, first stanza in first line is sought. S-O-U-G-H-T, sought mean to search and कोशिश की या जुस्तजू की. Number 2 is hear mean listen, आवाज़. Number 3 is voice mean sound. Hear mean listen, सुनना. Voice mean sound, आवाज़. Number 4 God, the supreme being, खुदा. Second line is climb mean ascended, चढ़ा. Topmost mean highest. बुलंद steeple mean the tallest part of a religious building. Minar, declare mean made known clearly, किसी चीज़ को बयान करना. Dwell, live mean रहना. Among mean between, दरमियान. Now I will explain about the poet. This poem is the expressions of the religious bent of mind of Louis I. Newman. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University. He has written many religious books. Now I will explain about the poem. It is a simple short poem representing the poet's religious bent of mind. The poet expresses the main aim of the life is the simplest style. In his view, the main aim of life is to serve humanity, and there is no need to find God anywhere. One can find God by serving mankind. In short, we can say that, what is the summary of this poem? The poet wanted to hear the voice of God, so he climbed up the topmost steeple of the church or a religious place. When the poet reached there, he was commanded by God to go down and seek him among people. It shows that one can only find the love of God by living with his fellow beings and by serving them in time of need. Look at here, students. Question number 1 is, why did author climb the steeple? Answer is, the author climbed the highest steeple of church in order to hear the voice of God. This could be the criticism for those who think that by their prayers they could reach a place which God appreciates, but the poet tries to teach his fellows that one can get his love by praying and serving the mankind. Now look at here, why did God tell him to go down again? Answer is, to love one's fellow man is the best way to win God's love. God loves those people who are caring and loving to other people. If you want to be close to God, we should love people and help them. God does not like those people who hate each others and avoid them. Now look at here. Last question is, say in your own words, what do you think is the message of this poem? You can write. The message of the poem is that we should be very friendly and loving to each other. This is one of the best things that a man can do. God is happy with that person who takes care of and serves mankind. So class, listen to me carefully. I am giving some questions in your worksheet. You will have to complete on time in your copy. At the end, I will tell you central idea of this poem. Please note down. If someone wants to be close to God, he should not aloof himself from people. God loves those who love people. God is always with people. All work you will have to complete in your copy. If there any question, if there any confusion in your mind, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.